Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete PhonePe transaction history. So let's get into the video. So if you open up PhonePe, so log into your PhonePe account. So once you've logged into your PhonePe account, so if you want to look at your history, so go to your history. So your history will be, if you go to the history tab, you'll see all your histories here. So here, if you want to delete a PhonePe, if you want to delete the transaction history, unfortunately you won't be able to delete it permanently due to security and privacy reasons, because it's form of transaction, so that cannot be deleted permanently. So what you can do as an alternate, if you don't want it to be showed on your history list here, so what you can do, you can try to hide it. You can temporarily hide it by using these filters option here. So for example, if you hit on this filter and then just deselect the date that you want to hide, so just put like deselected, all right, and then if you hit on it, and you will see that my previous older transactions has been hidden. So this is how you can actually you can actually hid the transaction temporarily, as there is no permanent ways to delete the transaction history on PhonePe. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.